Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today on the menu we've got turkey brown pasta bake. Enjoy! Got my pot on for the pasta. Heat up a separate pan. Go in with a couple tablespoons of olive oil. Homemade chili sauce. The link is in the description box below. Chopped onions. Fry on low heat for 1 to 2 minutes. Tomato sauce. Keep frying for a few more minutes. Cover with a spatter guard. Go in with the pasta when the water boils. Cook for 7 minutes, though pasta cooking time depends on the brand you're using. Half teaspoon of salt. Back to the sauce.
Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.
Peep my baby sister's puree in the background. My mom makes her the best. Pasta ready! Pour the pasta in the sauce, combine thoroughly. Cover up and set aside. Now to the bechamel sauce. Get another pot. Melt 3 tablespoons butter on low heat. Add in 2 tablespoons plain flour. Add in milk, a little at a time, till a not too thick nor runny consistency is reached.
All prep done, time for the bake.
Layer up the pasta and white sauce till finished.
Cheese, yay!
Sprinkle the cheese across the top. It gives the dish a beautiful golden brown crust that seals in the pasta juices. Bake at 180 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes or until the cheese is fully melted. Garnish with parsley or any herb of choice. Please subscribe to get more yummy recipes. See you in the next video. Bye!